Hi everyone. So in the previous session, we have solved a few questions related to sacrificing ratio. And the same way in this session, we will solve one more question related to sacrificing ratio. The question here, Arti and Bharati are partners. There are two partners in a business. They share in profits and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2. So when there are two partners in a business on the time, entire profits they are sharing on the base of 3 is to 2. This is what whole profit sharing ratio. They admit Kirti into the partnership. So here Kirti, she is a new partner into partnership. So after that admission of a new partner into the partnership, the new profit sharing ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 3. This is what new profit sharing ratio after the admission of a new partner. So in this question specifically they have mentioned old share as well as new share. So finally we need to calculate sacrifice ratio of Arti and Bharati at the time of admission of a new partner. The old partners they need to sacrifice some part of profit to the incoming partner. So now we need to ascertain the sacrifice ratio. First, we need to write the headline. Headline: calculation of sacrifice ratio. So the old partners are namely Arti and Bharti, right? Old profit sharing ratio of Arti and Bharati is 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. These ratios we can convert it by the way of ratios. 3 plus 2 5. 3 divided by 5 is to 2 divided by 5. 3 plus 2 5. This is what old ratio of partners. And the same way now we need to write new profit sharing ratio of Arati, Bharati and Kirti. Kirti, she is a new partner into the partnership. The new profit sharing ratio 4 is to 3 is to 3. 4 is to 3 is to 3. These ratios we can convert it. 4 plus 3 plus 3 total 10, right? 4 divided by 10 is to 3 by 10 is to 3 divided by 10. This is what new profit sharing ratio among the partners. So in this question they have specifically given two different values, old share as well as new share. But now we need to ascertain that sacrifice ratio, right? For the ascertainment of sacrificing ratio, we need to write the formula. Formula: sacrifice share or ratio. Sacrifice share equals to old profit sharing ratio or old share minus new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio or new share. This is what formula for that ascertainment of sacrifice ratio among the partners. First, we need to find the Arti's sacrifice share. Right? Sacrifice share of Arti. As per the given information, the old share, the old ratio is available, right? 3 by 5. This is what Arti's old share. 3 divided by 5 minus new share. After the admission of a new partner, the new ratio 4 divided by 10. This is what new share of Arati. Now we need to write 4 by 10. So 3 by 5 minus 4 by 10. This is what? Old share as well as new share. Now we need to take that LCM factor for that 5 and 10. Easily we can divide it. Have to take 5 and 10. 5 ones are 5 and the saving 5 twos are 10. This is what simplification. Now we need to also take 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. This is what maximum value. Now we need to find that LCM factor. So this is what maximum value, right? So 10 into the first value 3 by 5. Have to take 3 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. This is what first value we have ascertained. 2 threes are 6 we have ascertained. And the same being 10 into the next value 4 by 10. Have to write 4 divided by 10. So 10 ones are 10. 1 fours are 4. 10 ones are 10. 1 fours are 4. 6 and 4. Divided by the maximum value 10, right? Have to write 10. 6 minus 4. What is the differentiation amount? 2. 2 divided by 10. This is what? Sacrifice share of Arati. So Arati's sacrifice share we are identified. On the same way, now we need to find the value of one more partner, I mean Bharati. On the same we have to write sacrifice share of Bharati. What is the whole share of Bharati? 2 by 5. This is what whole share, right? Whole profit sharing ratio. 2 by 5 have to write 2 by 5 minus. Again now we need to write new profit sharing ratio. After that admission of new partner in Kirti, the ratios are 4:3:3, right? So 3 by 10. This is what new share of Bharati. 3 by 10. Have to write 3 by 10. Now we are recorded both the values old share as well as new share. So 5 and 10. Again now we need to simplify these values by the way of using LCM factor. So 5 and 10 these are common factor. 5 and 10 already we have simplified. 10 is the maximum value, right? So by the way of using this value, now we need to simplify. 10 into the first value 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 2 twos are 4. 4 minus. And the same way again now we need to find one more value. 10 into 3 by 10. 3 by 10. So 10 ones are 10. 10 ones are 10. 1 threes are 3. 1 threes are 3. So 4 and 3, right? How to write? 4 minus 3. The maximum value 10, right? How to write? 10. 4 minus 3. This is a differentiation 1. 1 by 10. This is what? Sacrifice ratio of Arati and Bharati. Finally, now we need to simplify the values. Finally, sacrifice share of Arati and Bharati 2 by 10 is to 1 by 10. To cancel 10 means 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. This is what sacrifice share of Arati and Bharati. Both the partners they are sacrificing 2 is to 1 proportions. 2 plus 1 3, right? So what is a new partner share after the admission of a new partner? 3 by 10. 3 rupees, right? 2 plus 1 3. The old partners they are sacrificing 3 by 10th share of profit in the business organization. This is what solution regarding this question. So in the next session, we will solve one more question related to sacrificing ratio. Thank you, students.